Are your Unidata apps crashing due to the Netcdf library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To start the walkthrough for Netcdf library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Netcdf library, the Network Common Data Form Netcdf library. It manages the unmanaged storage and retrieval of scientific array data. It facilitates the orchestration of multi-dimensional data link manifests for weather and oceanographic software. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the Unidata environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of Unidata to allow the installer to restore Netcdf library DLL automatically. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Netcdf library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of Netcdf library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The diagnostic utility referenced below offers general information for managing Netcdf library and maintaining system health. If your workstation is back online and Netcdf library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.